Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, Doc Noy is now giving us the difference between the symptoms of heat rash and scabies. Go ahead.
It's very important to distinguish between rashes due to heat rash and the
Mm.
scabies or the dust mites.
Okay.
Both conditions are very common during this humid weather, right?
Ah.
Because scabies thrive much better in the humid weather. They need water in the environment. And we know
Mm.
for a fact during high humidity, there is a high level of water in the water vapor. So
Right.
marami
Yeah.
gas talaga. The
Mm.
thing is, how to differentiate is the fact that in scabies or the dust mites, we have this web lesions, interweb lesions, that is
Okay.
very evident. Okay.
Mm.
And again, these rashes are very, very itchy. It takes a high dose of antihistamine to counteract the itchiness or the
Mm.
pruritus, we call that in medical term. The other distinction is the fact that scabies affect the whole family members within the household. Sa heat rash, hindi. Kasi ang heat rash is a function of how hydrated the person is, how prone
Mm.
is that person or a member of the family prone to heat-related illnesses. So,
Mm.
yun
Good
po.
point.
Thing
Mm.
that you must consider.
So the treatment is also different
No, yeah,
kasi
different.
scabies would
Very
require certain
different.
ointments.
Yes,
Mm.
but both lesions or both conditions are easily treated. Kaya lang iba ang treatment regimen nila.
So,
Okay? Ang KBS,
so
we have a lotion to that na nilalagay
ah.
lang naman yan. And then my oral antihistamine so that the person will stop
Oh.
scratching. Kasi by
Mm.
scratching, it could have complications and the more that it spread all over the body.
Yeah, an open wound would be a terrible thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
open wound that it becomes infected, then
Mm.
the treatment becomes more complex.
Okay. Something that's very viral is pag naligo daw tayo, wag daw unahin yung ulo. I mean, is there any truth to that?
Kasama yun doon sa Facebook na got me irked. Okay?
Mm.
Simple lang yan eh. Ang nangyayari kasi, ang strategy ng mga yung mga vlogger na sinasabi, no?
Mm.
They sensationalized on minor issues.
Right.
May kahit pa may katotohanan na. But ang dali lang yan. Just go and take a bath using warm water. Okay?
Okay.
And it doesn't prevent you from starting from the head all throughout.
There you go.
Ganun lang yun. Or the other thing is get acclimatized. Before you
Yeah.
get to the bathroom, dapat kung sa init ka, ma-acclimatize ka ng konti a few minutes before taking a bath.
Mm.
Parang ano
Mm.
lang yan,
Mm.
pinupuhunanan nila yung mga issues na parang ang mga nakikinig, not to
Mm.
belittle them, medyo ma-interest ka agad sila. Na? It so happen
Right.
kasi yung mga learned na maraming technical knowledge do not go vlogging or whatever. No, 'di ba? Ganun 'yun eh. Ganun
Okay.
laban sa ngayon sa social media. Pero thank you, marami na rin doctors na nagbo-vlog. Hope they are not after the money. 'Di
Right.
ba?
Mm.
Sana naman, walang doktor yan nag-earn money, sana ka sa vlogging sana.
Mm.
Hindi na siguro namin ano yan, ano? 'Di ba?
Mm. Is there any value to what some people are doing where they would take a face towel, moisten it, damp, tapos lagay nila sa ulo pag lumabas sila ng
That
bahay?
is perfect. That is perfect because it cools the skin. It
Ah,
cools the skin.
okay.
However, tulad yan, sige, subukan mo Mr. Dino personally. Pag ganyan ka, magbimpo ka, basahin mo ng tubig, tapos labas ka
Hmm.
ngayon sa labas, ang bilis din matuyo yan. So you'll be getting back again sa bahay para ano na naman yan, i-wet. O
So
di,
kailangan
tapos ka na
may
lang ng isang jug pa of water.
yon jug of water para met maya.
Definitely. Maganda nga yung jug of water mo. May ice din yan. So it's not
Mm.
potable. Something that you just put on to cool your skin. That's it. Good yan sa suggestion sa mga rider. Sa mga motorcycle rider.
Oh,
Maganda yung
come to
gawin
think
nila.
of it. Oo nga, no?
Yes.
Oo. Kasi sa
Yes.
loob ng helmet yon and it's
Yes.
cooling it
In
down.
fact, ewan ko lang kung paano pa ang iba nating medium of communication, no? Information sa mga
Mm.
specific groups. It's
Yes, yes.
very inexpensive measure. 'Di
Mm.
ba? Dala lang sila ng jug na may ice sa loob, may bimpo sila, tapos dating nila sa client, full sila ng water. That alone
Right.
could significantly prevent heat exhaustion or heat stroke.
Even for the guards, no, may timba lang sila tapos maya't
Ayan,
maya.
at least sa Sorrento Guards, may sessions ako sa kanila, nakadalawang sessions na sila ako sa kanila. And they are so
Mm.
thankful. They are so thankful. Yes, yes. Praise the Lord.
Yeah.
No, in our
Saving
own little
lives.
way,
Yeah.
in our little way talaga, we save lives eh. Simple lang
Mm.
itong heat stroke and ano.
Mm.
And then moving forward, malaking contribution din natin for people to understand that they could contribute in their own little way.
Yeah.
Okay? Yung mga measures
Mm.
na simple lang, bakit kailangan humantong pa tayo sa ganitong complicated state of our world to
Mm.
suffer a lot?
That's true.
Oo.
And
So,
so, as ever, always
yeah.
remember that learning is a never-ending journey with limitless vistas. Good day.
Today.